So I wanted to come on here and I wanted to show you something because I am so excited. I've not been excited about a wig tool or a wig product in a really long time, but Nelly from Nell's Wigs has brought us something that I really think we all need as wig wearers, especially in the synthetic wig world. But if you wear wigs at all, this is definitely something that you need in your wig wearing life. So she just released this bad boy right here. Got all the packaging, all the wrapping, paper, everything off of it. But this is essentially a all-in-one, the ultimate hair tool kit for synthetic and human hair. So I have tested this out on a few of my synthetics so far, as well as I'm working on styling one of my human hairs currently, and this thing is amazing. So I wanted to open it up and show you guys all the crazy amazing stuff that you get in this. So it is $159, I believe, on the website, which is a great deal when you really think about everything that you're getting in this kit. So I did take all the little plastic packaging. Everything comes in these little guys here, but I want you to be able to really see it in all of its glory and all of the things that you get. So this piece right here is the actual tool itself. The attachments all go onto this guy, and this does change, so you can do it this way, or you can push this little guy here and now you have your straight stick, and you have this here swivels and moves around all of your buttons, your cool shot here, temperature, speed, power, all that fun stuff right there in the tool itself. And then as we pull out some of these goodies, we have this right here. This thing is amazing for adding lift to your wigs, your synthetic wigs, your human hair wigs, your hair, your bio hair. This is going to add lift anywhere that you really want to add any lift to your hairline or the roots of your units. Then we also have this one right here, which I'm obsessed with. I use this on one of my damaged straight synthetic wigs that is heat safe yesterday so that I could wear it to work, and this thing worked amazing. So this is a dual side, so it has the plastic bristle pieces on this side here, and then it has the metal here that will heat up and warm up as that hot air blows through. And you can switch between one side or the other with this little switch right here on the side, and this just pops right on to the tool itself. I could show you real quick. Like, how can I do this with this giant box in my hand? But this just literally pops right on, and now we are good to go. You can switch. You can hear that little satisfying click between the two. And then to take it off, there's just this little unlock button. You push that down and you pop this thing right off. So let's grab the next little tool so I can show you guys. And this box in itself, just to keep everything all in one place, is so nice, and I love that, because I tend to have all my tools end up everywhere if I don't have a place to centrally locate them. So then we're also going to grab this guy right here, grab all the tools that can attach. This is another attachment. This is a bristle barrel brush here. We have a large brush. This is great for adding volume to bangs, creating bangs, removing the parts in your wigs, all sorts of things. You can add volume to your wigs with this as well, creating curtain bangs, just that kind of butterfly look, hair look that everyone does now. This is going to give you a lot of options when you're customizing your wigs. And then we have the thing that I think I'm probably the most excited about, and I probably will use the most, are these guys right here. So these are the air wand. So it like pulls the hair. When you put this on there, it kind of helps attach the hair and kind of put the hair where you need it to. And there's a left and a right. If I can grab it out of this crevasse that it's in. There's a left and a right, and this is what I am currently using to style and curl a human hair wig of mine. So I'm excited to, I'm going to record that separately, and I'll post the results for that. But these are left and right, so depending on which way you want the barrel to go, you attach these on the direction that you want them to go in. And then that is all of the tools that attach to the actual handle. But there are some other really amazing things in here that I think every person needs. If you're wearing wigs and you're starting out on your wig journey and you don't know what tools to use to customize your wigs, and you can look on my channel. I have so many videos where I use some of these tools that are also included in this kit. And I think that that just kind of takes this above and beyond, because she honestly could have just done the main tool with those attachments, and for the price it's amazing. But she's also going to be giving you this hot comb right here, which you can remove permatease with this. You can do all sorts of things. Like I said, I have so many videos where I use one of these bad boys. I think this, if you don't have a tool at all and you can only get one, this is what you need. But if you get this kit, you get this plus you get all this other stuff. Then she's also giving you a heat glove here, heat resistant glove, to help your little baby fingers not burn. You have a wide tooth comb, which you definitely need if you're styling, especially curly wigs, like really anything. If you're working on a wig head, this is going to help you. There are also, we got a rat tail comb, need this, especially if we're curling, styling. We need to part the wig, section off the little sections and areas that we need to do that in. That's amazing. There's a little pair of scissors here. These are great for cutting lace. Also for creating your own flyaways, customizing, point cutting, trimming bangs. Like, again, kind of an endless use. Ear tabs. I love to use these little baby scissors when I'm really trying to cut away ear tabs, because I really find that I can get really precise with this without removing any hair that I don't want to remove. So these are great for that. There are also some regular good old-fashioned amazing quality shears here to use to customize, cut, trim, thin, all of the above with these. You can cut your lace with these if that's your preference as well. And then there also are some thinning shears in here. These are great to thin out a bulky wig, to add texture to a wig, to help keep a wig from getting as tangled. If you're trying to make your wig not knot up as quickly, especially with synthetic wigs, there are some amazing videos. I have a few. I know a lot of people have them out there that show you how to take these and make it so that your wig doesn't tangle up as much. If you want to add some texture and volume, these are great. These are also great for creating bangs. Just, again, endless possibilities, and something I think everyone needs. And if you really think about the value of everything that's in here, if you buy a kit on Amazon that just comes with a pair of just like these two scissors here, right there, that's like a good pair would be like $30+. And a hot comb. I think one of the hot combs that I usually use and or recommend to you guys, I think it's like $40. So right there, 40, 50, 60, 70. Plus we have, you know, we're going to say another 80 plus, then you're getting this kit. Like, that's crazy. That means that you are getting this tool with all of these attachments for less than $100, which is insane. Because I don't know, that seems crazy to me, but it's a great deal. And she is wanting to make sure that everyone gets this that needs it. And I think that if you are anywhere in your wig journey, especially if you're starting out and you don't know what you need and you feel overwhelmed by all the choices and tools out there, this is going to give you everything that you need to do all the customizations and all of the little tweaks and changes that you need to make to your wig to make your wig your own. This is something that I highly recommend. Go check this out. You can get this on her website right now, nellswigs.com, and I will make sure I put the link for you guys. Let me know if you grabbed this. It also does, I will say, come with some really cute little bag here. It says the ultimate hair toolkit travel bag, because queens don't travel basic, and I really think that Nell is trying to help us live our best wig life, and this just goes above and beyond, I think, what we all were expecting her to give us. So definitely go check this out, nellswigs.com. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm definitely going to be having some videos coming showing you guys how to use the different things in here on your wigs and what you can do with all this stuff.